welcome to Tara Love Diva. And today on Tara Love Diva, this is Vlogmas Day 18. Ta-da! So thank you all for tuning in from day one until now. I appreciate everyone that's been watching, commenting, and DMing me on my videos. I'm enjoying them as much as you all are enjoying them. Today, in honor of my mom's passing years ago, she passed on December 18th, I wanted to make vanilla cake. That was my mom's favorite, vanilla cake. So I decided to make them into cupcakes so I can share them with my grandkids tomorrow, Saturday. Yes, tomorrow's Saturday, so I was going to take my cupcakes to my grandkids. But today we're going to make those in honor of my mom. May she rest in heaven. It's been years, but every year, 3 days before my birthday, I make her favorite something. I haven't been doing it on camera, but I do make her favorite something or listen to her favorite music because me and my mom was that close. So with that being said, also I am trying out my new overhead technique on baking, so you can see what I'm doing overhead. So I'm gonna give you a picture right here of the overhead shot. So with that being said, let's get on to baking. As I'm baking, you'll see more of the overhead, but then also me talking amongst this video. So let's get into the video. Go Tara, go Tara, go Tara. Anyway, make sure I have everything that I need, which is flour, butter, sugar, eggs, room temperature milk, room temperature eggs, baking powder. I didn't have baking soda, you really don't need it, some salt and vanilla extract, and then you have these little cupcake thingamajigs. Oh, let me get my cupcake thing. And then we have the cupcake pan. I will leave the link to these pans down below. I say that about a lot of things. By the time I sit down and really go through my videos, I will actually leave the links. But these are from Walmart. This here is from Walmart. So everything will be in the description box at some point in life. So let's get into this video. But look how fluffy they are. OMG. Look at this. They smell good too. Oh yes. Oh yes. These taste amazing, and they're nice and fluffy cupcakes. Look at the bottom. Summer loves, this is the finish. What do you call these things? My cupcakes are done. This is the finished ones. Let's pull one out and try it. Look at this. It's so cute. Okay, we got to peel. Oh, I was about to say. It's easy to come off. Oh, they so fluffy. Yay! I swear I don't like these little cupcake thingamajigs. But anyway, okay, my loves. Stay tuned for another video, which will be on Tara Love Diva TV. Tara Cooks for One. How I make frosting for my cupcakes. So thank you for watching. This is your girl Tara Love Diva.